Discover the versatile jicama, a root vegetable that's not just delicious but packed with health benefits. From crunchy salads to savory stir-fries, jicama adds flavor and nutrition to every bite. Could this humble vegetable be your next kitchen staple? Jicama, also known as Mexican turnip or yam bean, is a root vegetable native to Mexico and Central America. Its unique, crisp texture and mildly sweet flavor make it a popular ingredient in many cuisines, particularly in Latin American and Asian dishes. Jicama's appeal lies in its versatility. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or pickled, it can be used in an array of culinary creations. The vegetable's flesh is white and crunchy, offering a refreshing contrast to the richness of other foods. Its subtle flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory elements, allowing it to shine in salads, stir-fries, and even as a low-calorie alternative to chips. Jicama's refreshing taste and nutritional profile have helped it gain popularity beyond its traditional uses, finding a place in modern kitchens and international markets. One of the most popular ways to enjoy jicama is raw, sliced into thin strips or cubes and served as a crunchy addition to salads or as a standalone snack. It's often paired with chili powder, lime juice, and salt in Mexican street food, where it's served alongside other fruits and vegetables. This combination enhances its flavor profile, adding a tangy and spicy kick. In other cultures, jicama is used as a refreshing addition to salads, offering a mild sweetness and crisp texture that contrasts with the more robust ingredients like carrots, cabbage, or leafy greens. It's also commonly added to fruit salads, where its crunchiness balances out softer fruits like watermelon or oranges. As a low-calorie food, jicama is often incorporated into weight-conscious diets, providing a satisfying snack without the guilt. Jicama is also an excellent addition to cooked dishes, particularly in stir-fries or soups. When sautéed or stir-fried, jicama retains its signature crunch, offering a satisfying bite in dishes that feature proteins like chicken, shrimp, or beef. It has the ability to absorb the flavors of the sauces it's cooked with, much like a vegetable substitute for water chestnuts or bamboo shoots. In soups, jicama can be used as a substitute for potatoes or turnips, adding substance and texture without overwhelming the broth. It's often included in light, broth-based soups, adding a delicate sweetness that enhances the overall flavor. In these applications, jicama's ability to hold its shape and crispness during cooking makes it a favorite choice for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. In addition to its culinary uses, jicama offers several health benefits, making it an excellent choice for those seeking nutritious ingredients in their meals. High in fiber, jicama promotes digestive health and helps maintain regular bowel movements. The vegetable contains inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthy gut microbiome. Jicama is also low in calories, making it a popular choice for people following weight loss or low-carb diets. It's rich in vitamin C, which supports immune function and promotes skin health, as well as essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining heart health, muscle function, and fluid balance. Jicama is also a good source of antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and support overall health. Jicama's versatility extends to its use in beverages and pickled preparations. In many parts of Mexico, jicama is served pickled, often accompanied by chili powder, lime, and salt. This preparation enhances the flavor and preserves the vegetable, making it a popular snack or side dish in many households. Pickled jicama can be eaten on its own, added to tacos or sandwiches, or used as a tangy topping for salads and rice dishes. Jicama can also be juiced, yielding a refreshing, mildly sweet beverage that's hydrating and full of nutrients. The juice is often combined with citrus fruits or herbs, creating a delightful and healthy drink that's perfect for hot weather. In addition, jicama can be used as an ingredient in smoothies, blended with other fruits and vegetables to create a nutrient-packed beverage that's both refreshing and energizing. The global popularity of jicama is on the rise as more people discover its unique texture and health benefits. With its ability to complement a wide variety of dishes, from salads and stir-fries to soups and snacks, jicama has proven itself to be a versatile and nutritious addition to many culinary traditions. Its low-calorie, high-fiber profile makes it an appealing option for health-conscious individuals, while its subtle sweetness and satisfying crunch continue to win over food lovers worldwide. As interest in plant-based eating and healthier alternatives grows, jicama is likely to become a staple in kitchens around the world, offering an accessible, nutrient-dense option for a wide range of meals and preparations. With its unique texture and impressive health benefits, jicama is more than just a crunchy snack, it's a powerhouse of nutrition that can elevate any dish. Ready to try jicama in your next meal?